Hi. Hello.
What's up?
The sky?
Greetings.
Hi.
The sky?
Yep.
Nice shirt.
It's green.
I remember saying that in first grade.
Oh.
Oh, great banter, mate.
I remember.
Yeah, it's next level.
I know,
You could
it's
learn
so
a thing or
bad.
two.
Yeah. Oh, wrecked lady.
Yeah, gosh.
What a squirrel.
I'm on full break. I'm happy.
I need to make some more tools.
Saplings for days.
Saplings for days here.
What? Do I have...
Wow.
How in the world? What?
What just happened?
GG hater.
I got that early iron. What you know about it?
I'm taking a wooden pickaxe.
Yeah, okay.
What?
Oh, what?
Wow, GG.
Hey, if you guys see someone, let me know. I'm making an, or I'm not going to, but I could make an
yeah,
iron sword
great.
right now.
Oh, you should do it, mate.
Oh, can I be stone sword then?
Chris,
What?
here.
Can I be stone sword, Chris?
No. I don't. Why? I don't want ink.
I want the sword. Stone sword.
I don't know. I'm not gonna make the iron. I'm gonna make armor instead. I think that's better.
Stop giving me ink.
Is that like some sexual reference? Or...
Chicken.
Wow. You don't want to
Extreme
cave
hill-
there.
Oh no, there's a forest to the right.
Oh,
There's
frick
a
yes.
forest and chickens.
We win, Joy. You.
Look at all these chickens.
God, you're taking all my chickens.
I only got a feather.
I see pigs. And chickens.
In a ravine.
And sheep. I don't give up the ravine. Me too.
Ouch.
I have 5 chickens.
Oh, holy son of a mother. Look over here.
What? Tell me there's like all kinds of awesome. Oh, big ravine.
That's really weird. Never seen it that. Oh god, I'm not gonna say that.
I haven't seen it yet.
Was you like pulling your leg? Zombie.
Oh, you just died. I'm sorry.
I'm above you in this ravine.
Oh, you guys are in the ravine. I dug down.
Yeah, but there's so
I know
much
you do.
surface iron here. I gotta get
Well,
this
go get
swag. I'm allowed to say it because I'm older and swag hasn't been cool for a while. So now I'm allowed to say it at like it's hip.
That's in the dictionary now.
Swag.
Yeah. And twerk. We talked about this in English class.
Well, yeah, twerk is just amazing. Like,
My English
I
class
love-
is so boring.
I love that Miley Cyrus popularized it.
Uh-huh. I love
My
that.
English class is really.
And I'm not being
boring.
sarcastic at all.
I'm just so happy that the first
Totally
9
serious.
weeks is over.
Love the twerk.
You are like... You probably are Miley Cyrus, Chris. Shut up.
I wish, right?
You wear that stuff.
Long time no see.
Ready? Think I can do
Hi.
this? Oh,
Where are you guys?
that was very scary. We're in the ravine.
Oh, what? So I come down in the ravine and now everybody wants to just steal my ravine. Hey,
Yeah,
get,
we
Yeah.
don't. We
get out
do.
my furnace. This is where I get my jam right here.
Yo, girl, get out my furnace.
There's so much water.
Oh, that's gonna be the new thing.
Yo, girl, get out my furnace.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh my god, really?
What happened?
Water? Why is there so much water?
That's what I just said.
Oh, Joy's gonna drown to death.
Wait, mate. I'm a scuba diver.
No, it's just skeleton. What?
I'll take it.
Oh,
mate.
Chris, you look so good.
Oh, this old thing.
Wow, it's full iron already. What a screw.
What's up, guys? What's going on?
I barely have enough to make a
No, I'm gonna
parachute.
cook my stuff over here.
Hey, Chris.
Oh, now y'all be jacking my iron.
Wait, Chris,
What's
Chris,
up?
I do what I want. Do what I want, mate.
All right, now I'm gonna go to 0-0 and fight. So I'll see you guys later.
Yeah.
I'm just,
Okay,
I'd be so dumb.
Watch
See you
you
next
win. Watch you win. I can make full iron, but I don't have any wood.
I heard that.
That's
Maddie, why are you
Um,
not wearing pants?
There's trees
It's
everywhere.
freezing
need
cold
pants.
out here.
it is.
Okay, I have my feathers.
Hey, Telly.
I gave you iron enough to make pants.
I made a chest plate.
Oh wow.
We're heading, we're actually
I
almost
see a
at.
lava pool. I see a
Yeah,
lava pool.
there's a lava pool. Yes.
How'd y'all get up here? Jumped it, really?
pillar.
Y'all built up. Really?
All right, now jump in.
Okay.
Hey, Telly,
Chris,
come
I
here.
don't keep playing with you, right?
Telly, come here. I got a lava bucket now. Come here.
Oh,
Chris,
fuck
I
you.
don't want to associate with you now.
Do you guys just want to take this and go into the Nether?
You know,
Yeah.
wait for me.
Hold on. You're gonna have to do it the hard way because I just kind of was an idiot and covered it all up.
Oh my God, you cover all the lava up.
Yeah, well, I didn't want anybody to fall in.
Chris,
Safety first, then teamwork.
time and Rebels would be so shameful.
I hear a skeleton.
Me too.
I'm digging
Um,
up.
Oh, here it is.
I'm not mining up like you guys.
Oh, there's another one. Yeah.
Oh, Chris died.
No, I just
Uh-huh.
wrecked two
I'll be right
skellies
back.
with taking no damage. What you know about
Wait,
that?
Who's still at 20?
Hey,
Mixi's
no,
at
we're at.
20.
Hey,
Watson's at 20.
hey, guy.
There's
Hey,
lava.
Telly.
Chris, there's lava.
Oh, once you say that, someone died. George, you just cursed at us. How's it feel?
Hey,
No, Chris.
Well, I thought you wanted the water to be safe.
No, Chris.
Sorry.
Chris, you're so bad at this game.
Sorry. Okay, sorry. Hey, Telly, our chords are
I don't even know
X1
why.
and X97. Like the exact chord is X97 Z negative 154.
What? You just went up. You just said like, oh, let's just leave this Telly and just leave him.
Yeah, and
Well,
guess
it's only
what? We
gone-
about
it's
to
only
get
gone
them
and got an
enchants,
enchanting
playa.
Is it?
Yeah, it's okay. You'll catch up, Telly. We got you. We
Still
know that you
knowing-
can handle yourself. Just don't fight anybody if you see them. Just run.
Oh, I see I see 5 teams. Should I fight them?
Yeah, I think you can win.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Do it.
Okay. I'll...
Do it.
I won.
Oh man, GG.
What's the Z again?
Negative.
Ma-
Is it
not
negative?
-1.
Yeah, negative 155. There are a couple skeletons tracking us here.
There's a skelly. There's a skelly.
What?
What the?
How did it get in? Oh
Yeah.
no! I didn't
Yeah.
lock it off.
I'm making the portal, Chris.
Oh no! I dug this out over here.
It's gonna die.
I dug this out specifically
I
for the
see you
portal.
guys. I see you guys. I see Chris being funny.
Dang it! Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, well, I just fell in lava.
What?
No.
Oh, get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
Get out of the Nether.
Yes, get out.
Why?
They're gonna. Everyone's gonna trap a portal now.
Yeah, but ours is the only one that matters because we built it first.
Yeah.
That is true. Okay, Chris, can you? Should we? How much?
I've untrapped our portal, but now people might be trying to rush in, so I want to retrap it. So are you guys coming in or am I coming in?
I don't care. I don't know. What should we do?
I want
That
to
was
know.
stupid on my part.
Okay.
I don't know, but people might be
I have
building
11.
portals to come to the
11.
Nether right now, and I'm just standing here staring at it with
Okay,
an unenchanted sword.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I don't know which way you went in.
I just went in.
That way, where the chest is.
Yep. I mean, there's not much. I went in through, yeah, right here. Hey.
Someone's falling. I hear the person. The
Yeah,
mob
I
falling.
just saw it. I hear a skeleton. Oh,
He's
shoot.
behind you. He's behind you.
I'm good. I'm good. And I also see blazes. What the? Oh no! Oh no! I just got hit. Oh shoot! I'm withering. I have to eat a gold apple. Oh, I didn't actually hit. There was one right around the corner from me. That's
I
dumb.
got the what? I got the what?
I got warped too. Oh, that sucks so bad.
How about that we can go?
Oh shoot. This freaking blaze here. Get away, zombie pigman. I don't want to accidentally hit you. Oh, now I'm on fire.
Holy shit. Smoke weed every day. You gonna die, yeah?
No, he's like glitching underground. He shouldn't be able to hit me, but he has been able to hit me.
Are you nearly dead yet?
Chris, do you need help?
No, I'm
Chris needs an
good.
adult.
I just took a lot of damage. That's all.
And I can only make one apple, remember?
Yeah, I can make one, but I don't have any wood. I
Oh,
dropped them.
Oh, wait, and here's the red. I have. Oh, dang.
Yeah, well, look what I got.
What?
Yes, Gaga.
Wait a minute, why would we need a flint and steel? We're in the snow.
Yeah, that won't really work.
Oh.
I don't want to pull that moment again. I was on a mountain. I tried to
Forgot
put it
about that.
to the side. I was at half what, and then now I get laughed at.
You can light the grass on fire at least, so if you're in heavy grass,
Can you?
still, yeah, I think so.
I
Try it.
see it, team.
Oh yeah.
15. It's 2 people. It's A Jackson. It's A Jackson and Lead.
Okay, so let's one hit, right?
Lead.
Are we
I
drinking
see
it?
another team.
They're not enchanted.
I see another team over there.
To the right.
They're
Yeah,
enchanted.
they are
We'll go
enchanted
right.
and they're aiming at us. Just move.
Caught up.
Just move
Wait,
to the
did
left.
you guys eat your
Move to
your
the
kid's
left.
drink?
Lead's over here.
Yeah, we'll tackle green first.
They're running from us.
Because they know we have pots.
Oh, I'm stuck in a block.
I almost got AJ.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Oh, I got AJ. Who is that?
Oh no, we all
Oh,
came
wow.
around this way. Now they can run the other way. We needed to surround them.
I'm on the other side.
They're just running around like chickens.
Yeah. Don't worry, I know what'll get them out.
No, they're trying to waste our pots.
You're playing. I want to go up there and kill them so badly.
Lead's running. Lead's down. I think. Yep, lead's down.
Joe.
Where did lead go?
Oh, he's running towards the other team. Back up.
Let's
There.
rotate. Let's bounce team. Got one.
What'd you get?
I actually don't know. Oh, fire.
This music, bro.
Hey, Jackson's behind us. Know that.
Got him.
Oh, Chris is still behind us.
Yes, Chris.
That's
Watch
fine.
out, watch out. Let. Alright, I just got you lead. Tilly.
No, come back. We have to
Yeah.
Yes,
come
Tilly.
back to where we were last.
Okay, I'm gonna pick up the stuff.
Oh, I have food now.
I'm
Yes,
getting the
you
jukebox. It's important.
Well,
Oh, I
that's
just got
okay.
hit.
It's just right there.
Oh, I forgot he was there actually. I thought that's who you just killed. Who'd you guys kill then?
Someone else.
I hit someone around like twice.
I killed him. It's fine.
Oh, it was fight. Yeah. Okay.
Wait, yo, I have.
I just hit A Jackson again. He might be
I think
running
I
now.
got-
I'm not sure.
How much gold do you guys have? I have an apple.
I don't have any.
I don't have any. I have 5.
Where is he?
Yes, George.
He's coming. He's seen you.
No! Oh, I think he
I
died.
ain't got no problems to admitting that I listen to Ariana Grande.
Move, Maddie, move.
What a random thing to say.
Well, he is singing.
Oh, to the hey, there blue's here. Blue's here.
Where, oh wow, I just suicided off that cliff.
I got hit.
Yeah, they're that way, Maddie. Stop. You're going right towards them. Oh, unless you intended to.
Yeah,
Then I
yeah,
guess cool.
I'm at 2 hearts.
Should I sneak up behind them?
No. There's important things that need to happen right now.
Oh, I have power too, by the way. If anyone wants it.
I got RGC guy.
I hit one.
I'm in the back of y'all because I'm at 2 hearts because they're shooting at me.
I hit one.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. I got credit for that kill.
Please somebody had gold.
Oh, that was a bad idea.
Maddie.
GG, Maddie.
Chris, they have gold.
I don't see where they are. Oh,
I'm at 1 heart, Chris.
I am too.
Oh, Rick.
Oh, he got me. He's only got 2 hearts.
Come on, Telly. Is Mixie still alive? I didn't see Calligators and Jack.
What?
No.
Wow.
GG, guys.